Hello, good morning. NFP today. So, just going to quickly cover Bitcoin. I'll not be getting into any positions until after the numbers are released and the market sells, but just to take note of where we are at the moment. This is my daily levels. We have support, resistance, resistance. This is a weekly high. Key at the moment. It's key because we failed to close above it. We've tried about 3 times and failed to close above it. So, if we're looking for any more upside, what would clear the path is if we can break there on momentum and retest this area, and then that is where I would look for more long and opportunities to come in. There may be a day trade in here if we go down into the lower time frames. I've marked out Monday's high. I'll just highlight it here so you can see it. We do have stops resting below Wednesday's low, and we've been slowly grinding lower. If we can come down, hit Monday's high, and then reclaim back inside Wednesday's low, so something like that, and we also break this pullback structure. So let me just clean this up for you and make sure that we can see it properly. Monday's high, Wednesday's low, we have this pullback structure. If we come down, bounce off Monday's high, something like this, break back inside, break this structure, pullback, resistance, 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 and that's where I would look to long. Probably up to these highs. I don't really want to try and, hold too big of a position coming straight into that higher time frame resistance, so I'll take most off before we approach these highs and then let it run, because you never know. But that's all I can see for today, really. Wait for the numbers to be released, and any updates I'll post into the group.